Alright, I have about 15 minutes until I have to coach hockey. And there's this area next to the rink. I'm gonna give it a shot. Wow, that was wild. So the couple of things there. That thud managed to eject the memory card from this camera, which means you don't get to see that thud. But yeah, so I hit a tree. The camera tilt on my camera went way up, so I could only see like half of the screen because I was looking at the bottom of the action camera. And what else happened? So I couldn't land very effectively because I couldn't see anything. So I just got as close as I thought I could to the ground, and then thought I was landing, and then I smacked the ground. It smacked hard, and I must have been probably 20 feet up, I guess, with how long it took to fall. And then the memory card from the action camera fell out, and the battery came unplugged for the quad. So yeah, on that I'm out of time, but I'm done for the day anyway. So interesting. Yeah, there's still battery left, but I don't have time.